Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of UltData. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page we search about the application of UltData and we click here. In this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to storage. In this page of storage we click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.